In today's video we're going to be making these scrunchies. They are so simple and easy to make. We just need whatever colour yarn you like, a hairband, I have a 2mm hook and a pair of scissors. So to begin with, what we need to do is make a loop, which you would do if you were going to start making a chain in your normal amigurumi. Just attaches it to our hook, and then we are going to attach it to our band with single crochets all the way around. So we just literally go through and finish off the single crochet like so. And then with this tail end, I generally feed it around the band so it ties it in as you're going. Once you get started, it's a lot easier. It's just these first couple that are tricky. There we go. So we are literally covering the entire band with single crochets, and that's going to be our base to work on. As you can see, it fills up quite quickly. So I'll let you carry on. Once you've got the whole cover on the band, I'll meet you back there. Now, when you're happy that you've got enough single crochets around your band, we're going to start on the next round. So we're going to slip stitch into the first stitch here, like so. And then we are going to chain 4. 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to work in the front loops only, all the way around. So we're going to do, slip it in and then chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in the next stitch, front loop. We're going to finish that one as a single crochet and then chain 4. So there's your single crochet, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. And the next stitch, front loop only. Finish that one off as a single crochet and then chain 4. 2, 3, 4. Next stitch, front loop only. Finish that one off as a single crochet and then chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're going to work your way all the way around in every single stitch, and then you'll chain 4. So this is my single crochet to join them, and then chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I will meet you when we get back to here to show you how to join it, and we do the second stage. Now I'm just about to do my last single crochet and then chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we're going to do the final layer. So if you have a look at these ones, we've done this lower section here. We're going to do this top frill, but if you're happy to leave it like that, that's fine as well. So once you've done your chain of 4, we are quite literally going to go into one of these loops that we've made and do exactly the same. So we start off with a single crochet, chain of 4, and then we're going to go to the next one, which is here. Put the hook through, do a single crochet and chain of 4. So as you can see, it's getting taller. And then the next one is this one here. Single crochet, and then a chain of 4, 3, 4. Just work your way all the way around. So quick and so simple to do. Okay, so this is what we've got so far. So I'll meet you back around here and then we'll do the inner section. Now I've just completed my last chain of 4, and as you can see I've completed the whole of the outer round. So we're going to work on the inside now. So we're going to work in these back loops. So with that chain of 4 we're going to go down and do a single crochet, and we're going to repeat the whole process again. We're going to do a chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to go find the next one. So here's our next back loop here. So 1 single crochet to join them together, and then a chain of 4, 2, 3, 4, and then the next one along is here, single crochet and then chain 4. And we're going to work our way all the way around, and I will meet you back at the end and we'll just do the outer layer again together. Now I've just done my last chain of 4 because we've gone back to where we joined it on, and for this next bit I'm going to turn it around so it makes it a lot easier to go the same way. So we are going to go straight into our loops, 1 single crochet and then a chain of 4. And then into the next loop, 1 single crochet and a chain of 4. So they're a lot easier to see if you go back this way. Okay, so I'm going to let you carry on and I'll meet you back at the end, and I'll just show you how to fasten it all off again. Now I've just finished my last chain of 4, and I'm going to link it back down to this base one here to secure it in. I'm going to do 1 single crochet, and then I'm going to cut my yarn, give it a tug, and I'm going to weave it through. So we are going to weave it through these stitches here, straight into the middle one again, and hide it alongside the band. So if you pick up some of these, like so, and just snip off the end. Okay, so there is your hairband. It's a brilliant way to jazz up all your old ones that are getting tatty, and just obviously colour coordinate them for any particular outfit. So if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I do aim to put a new video up every week, just to give people an idea of what they can do with the amigurumi, and all my patterns are free. Thank you for watching.